Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, if you have got like a fantastic device for more than just reading and browsing, I'm talking here about an Amazon Fire tablet. It's also a great music player, since Fire tablets run on customized version of Android and are deeply integrated with any Amazon services. So the Amazon Music app comes either pre-installed or is super easy to add. Whether you want to stream over Wi-Fi or download songs for offline listening, your Fire tablet can be your personal jukebox. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to get Amazon Music app running on your Fire tablet fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go and try to find our Amazon Music app. On your Fire tablet, swipe up from the bottom to see all your apps. Look for the Amazon Music app icon. It often comes pre-installed on most Fire tablets. If you don't see it, you can easily go to the App Store or the shopping bag icon and search for Amazon Music, then tap download and get to install it. Then you can easily open the app and sign in using your own account or Amazon account. Then tap the Amazon Music icon to open it. You should be automatically signed in if basically you have all of your informations within the tablet, as I just told you. Then you can easily control the playback. When music starts, you will see a mini player at the bottom, just like this one. So tap it to open the full now playing screen like this. From here you can pause, skip, shuffle, repeat. You can also tap the lyrics icon, speech bubble to see lyrics and every other detail. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.